Alright, game time. Red versus blue. Polancos, first 2 points of the game. Ledesma to Sastrado. Sastrado pull up, basket yan. First 2 points for Sastrado. Iwayan floats, pass to Bustoyo. Bustoyo for 2 points. Vega all the way, basket. Marvin Vega for 2 points. Shout out sa aton nga official photographer, tag videographer, Hopper Spam. Rebound Polancos. Out to his dynamic duo. Iwayan all the way, basket. JJ Iwayan. Sastrado penetrates, nice pass to Ledesma. Ledesma good for 2 points. What a play. Rebound goes to JJ Iwayan, basket. JJ Iwayan for 2 points. And Iwayan all the way, gabalikid pa, basket for 2 points for JJ. Back to back 2 points for Iwayan. Ledesma basket for 2 points. Kenneth Dave Ledesma, first 2 points of the game. To Sastrado challenging the defense of Asirada, basket for 2 points. Iwayan pass to his teammate, basket Polancos for 2 points. Iwayan fakes, Iwayan penetrates, basket for 2 points, looking for the foul. Rebound Borja, basket for 2 points. Buang, nice pass to Dimicino, basket for 2 points. Number 25, nice pass by number 69, Buang. Between the legs dribble, fakes, oh, nice fake. Oquindo to Milan, basket for 2 points. Out to Buang, nice pass, basket by Borja. Nice pass by number 69. Rebound, Logroño, basket counts plus the foul. Budjo, fancy pass, Postre foul, basket counts. Wala, Perez, basket for 2 points. Buang fakes, basket for 2 points for number 69. Buang, pass to Dimicino, basket for 2 points. Another assist for number 69. Logroño all alone, basket. Buang, pass to Milan, basket for 2 points. Rebound to Mostre, basket for 2 points for Mostre. 2 points for Mostre. Perez penetrates, shoots, basket for 2 points. Milan for 3, bang! 3 points to beat the buzzer in the third quarter. Villarreal for 3, off the glass. Again, Polancos with the rebound, basket na yan. So Iwayan, out to Perez all the way. Out to Iwayan all the way, there's a foul, basket counts. Iwayan completed the 3-point play. To Palencia, to Vega, basket. Lumugdang, all alone, basket. Easy 2 points for number 26, Bong Lumugdang. Polancos to Iwayan, basket for 2. Yeah. To Vega, basket for 2. Lumugdang, out to Anonas for 3 points for Anonas. Villarreal, basket. Aboy, defended by 4, still finish it with 2 points on his name. 3-point basket. No good. Iscare, basket for 2 points. Mostre, basket. Diving for the loose ball. Asirada all day open. First basket by Asirada. That's 3 points. Logroño all the way, basket. Logroño pass to Bustoyo all the way, basket. Number 3, Leomar Autoworks. To Perez for 3, bang! 3 points for Perez. Pass to Sastrado for 2, basket. for number 13. Vega for 2. Basket! Perez to Polancos. Nice pass. Nice finish. Rebound Vega. Attempt for 2 points. Perez, long 3. Bang! 3 points. Vega all the way. Basket. Descare for 3. 3 points for number 2. Perez, nice pass. Asirada for 2 points. Oh, Milan open for 3. Bang! Nababayaan nyo na. Tanda na mag-trace. 69 out to Milan. Milan for 3. Back to back 3 points for number 24. Descare. Pupalancos. Nice fake. Nice basket. Tahom tong akwa. Yes. Villarreal. Basket for 2 points. Villarreal for 3. Basket. Bojo. Basket for 2 points. Perez jump shot. Basket. Perez shoots. Basket. Another 2 points for Perez. Nice pass to Demesido from Anunas. Lumugdang for 3. Bang!